So just keeping you with us, guys, keeping you with us. We left the Fanic Collaborative side, hit up the Stabile booth. Now we're gonna head this way where we have Nachi. We're gonna dive into the Nachi cell, and then right behind us we have the Enzo cell. So yeah, let's kind of see what they got here. You see a lot of these robots at like Toyotas. I'm not sure why they became the leader. I think just mainly because they were like a Japanese robot from back in the day, and so like that's how they became such a leader within Toyotas. I mean, like, if you ask me, like, let's just go look at this teach pendant and let's look at this robot controller. In my personal opinion, this thing looks like 1932, especially the teach pendant. I don't really care as much what the controller looks like. The controllers are also not as durable. Like, they're not like an enclosure the same way like a Fanic robot enclosure is. But yeah, we're showing off capabilities. Obviously here we have like the newer generation Nachi robot. These are, your older generation. But I think these ones here are using like a PC-based rack mounted system if I'm not mistaken. So in my mind, there's not much to see here. We've kind of we've seen a lot of the same technologies already, right? Just different robot doing a different thing. All robots are very similar. There is a rotary table here in this one, which is pretty cool. So like, you consider like 7th axis. Both these robots are coordinated with the motion of this table down here rotating. So you'll see it'll perform some motions, and then after it performs some motions, the table will rotate so that way it's oriented in a different way. Other parts of the part can be reached, or other features of the part, I should say, can be reached by the robots. It's kind of open bam, we got a rotation. I was really hoping for that rotation before I left out on this robot cell here. Then we have some different Nachi robot stuff going on over here. Not sure how fancy we got things we got. Actually, I have not come over here to look at this whatsoever. I guess they have a Nachi building a Nachi, or at least simulating that it's building a Nachi. It's kind of cool. Doing vision inspection, but realistically, it's probably not doing much of anything. It's probably just demonstrating what it can be doing. Then you have another one that's on a 7th axis rail over here. Kind of hard to see. The 7th axis rail. Let me just zoom in for you guys, so you can see this is basically doing a machine tending operation, maybe operation 1, operation 2 type of situation.